Good morning students. Last class seen about the topic the phylum and arthropoda to echinodermata. Okay, so invertebrata phylum finished. What are the 10 phylum of invertebrata? The first phylum Protozoa, Porifera, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Mollusca, Echinodermata finished. The next phylum Hemichordata. So what is the meaning of the Hemichordata? Hemi means half. So phylum Hemichordata. So what is the meaning of the hemi? Hemi means half. So chordata abdina, so chordata is with backbone animals. So this type of animal, this phylum animals, this phylum animals, the resembles the character between the vertebrate character and invertebrate character. So it is called as a Hemichordata. So for example, the marine organism Belanoglassus. The marine organism name is Belanoglassus. Belanoglassus is especially exclusively in marine organisms. Okay, but it resembles the animal of this group's animal possesses a character of vertebrate and invertebrate. So it is called as Hemichordata phylum. Okay, the Hemichordata phylum was earlier treated as a chordata, but now recorded to the phylum in invertebrata close to echinodermata, because the mainly lot of characters resembles the invertebrata. So it is a phylum lost next echinodermata is closed phylum. Okay. The first Hemichordata is example Belanoglassus. They are the marine organisms. The body is worm-like animal. It is a worm-like animal. Worm-like segmented animal. Okay. The symmetry, the first one, the second one. The body is divided into the three regions. The first, the symmetry, bilaterally symmetrical. So what is the meaning of the bilaterally symmetrical? Bilateral symmetry means the body parts are arranged along the central axis. If we cut the central axis, we can get two equal curves. That is called bilateral symmetry. Okay. So next one, it is a triploplastic animal. So what is the meaning of the triploplastic? Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, dorsum. So it is called triploplastic. So triploplastic means ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm present. So it is called triploplastic. So next one, it is a coelomate animal. What is the meaning of the coelom? Coelom means body fluid cavity, that is called coelom. Okay, coelomate animal. So what is the main use of the coelom? Coelom separate the digestive tract from other organs from the body wall. Okay, so what is the type? Bilateral symmetry, triploplastic animal. Next one, it is a coelomate animal. Okay, it look like a worm. The path of worm or air. Okay, the circulatory system on ciliary feeders are present. This is a worm. It is divided into the three regions: proboscis region, anterior proboscis, and middle collar region. Okay, so next one, it is a tail region. The first one, anterior proboscis, anterior proboscis, middle collar, last trunk region or tail region is present. What is this? This is a anterior proboscis. This is a head region. Okay. So next one, the pattaya collar mari kudurupanga. For example, in the mari. This is a middle collar. Okay. So next, the mari. Next, this is a trunk region. It looks like a worm. It resembles a many character in invertebrate and vertebrate character. Okay, so next one, it is a sexes are not separate. This animal, it is a hermaphrodite animal. This is sexes are not separate. So male animal, male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ present in the same animal. Okay, so next one, it is a fertilization is external type of fertilization, but the common larva name Ternaria larva. The common larva name Ternaria larva. The fertilization, external type of fertilization. Fertilization external type of fertilization. What is the meaning of external type of fertilization? Fertilization is divided into two types, external type of fertilization, another one internal type of fertilization. So what is the meaning of the external type of fertilization? Means fertilization taking place outside of the body, parent body, that is called external type of fertilization. Okay, so next one, the development is direct or indirect development. Development direct or indirect development. The larva, common larva name Ternaria larva. Common larva Ternaria larva. Okay, these are the main important character of the Hemichordata phylum. Okay, the first, another one important point, the excretory organ glomerula. Okay, the excretory organ ennu solvanga glomerulus. Excretory organ, the excretory organ glomerulus. It is respiration is through the gill slit. Respiration gill slit. Okay, these are the main important point of the first Hemichordata phylum. What is the meaning of hemi? Hemi means half. So chordata with backbone animals. So the first one, the animal, it look like a worm like animal. Bodies and segmented bodies present. So it is a triploplastic symmetry and bilateral symmetry. It is a coelomate animal. It is a organ system level of organization. Okay, so next one, it is a respiration is through by gill slit, and it is excretory organ glomerulus. The sexes are not separate. So male and female genital organ present in the same animal. The fertilization, type of fertilization, external type of fertilization. So development is direct or indirect. In the common larva name Ternaria larva. The body is the Balanoclass is divided into the three region. Head region is a proboscis region. Next, middle collar region. Last one, trunk region is present. It is a silvery feeder, and the heart is present. It is a dorsal heart. Okay, and the type on the dorsal heart. Dorsal அப்படினா எங்க பாருங்க முதுகு புறத்துல இதே இருந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. It is a dorsal heart type. Okay, so next phylum Chordata. Chordata, it is the longest or largest phylum. Chordata study about the with backbone animals. Study about with backbone animal. Okay, so what is the main difference between the Chordata and non-Chordata அப்படினா? So first one Chordata அப்படினா notochord is present, but in a non-Chordata அப்படினா non-Chordata invertebrata. Okay, so notochord is absent. Okay, so what is notochord? Notochord is present only in the early embryonic stage, but it can be replaced in after maturation. So next one, dorsal hollow single nerve cord is present in Chordata. So but non-Chordata na double ventral nerve cord is present, but Chordata அப்படினா single nerve cord, ஒரே ஒரு நரம்பு படம் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். So next one, the Chordata அப்படினா heart is ventrally placed, but non-Chordata அப்படினா heart is dorsally placed. Okay, it is dorsal or laterally are present. What is the meaning of laterally? Lateral அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா so side ஆ present ஆயிருக்கலாம். Okay, so next one fornix. What is the meaning of fornix? Fornix அப்படினா அந்த தொண்டைக்குழி, that is called fornix. Fornix perforated by gill slit, and a non-Chordata gill slit is absent. So next one, Chordata a post-anal tail is present. In only, it is very rudimentary structure. It is present only in the early embryonic stage, but at non-Chordata a post-anal tail is absent. Okay, so next one, alimentary canal is placed ventral to the nerve cord. So alimentary canal அப்படினா the small digestive tract. The small digestive tract is placed in the ventral to the nerve cord. Nerve cord ஓட ventral side is present. Okay வா, but non-caudate alimentary canal is placed dorsal to the nerve cord. Okay, so nerve cord oda dorsal side placed in the alimentary canal in a non-caudate, but in caudate family nerve cord is present in the ventral of alimentary canal. Okay, this is the main important differences of the caudate and non-caudate family. Okay, so next one, the caudate abdinale is the first main character presence of elongated notochord. Okay, notochord can be replaced by vertebral column. இத என்ன சொல்வாங்க அப்படினா vertebral column, முதுகெலும்பு தொடர் சொல்வாங்களே, நம்ம முதுகுல இருக்கும்ல அந்த முதுகெலும்பு தொடர். So next one, in higher vertebrata the nerve cord is present. Okay, so next one, pharyngeal gill slits is present in caudate. Okay va, so next phylum Urochordata. Next subphylum Urochordata. Subphylum Urochordata. So what is the meaning of the Uro na, it is a tail region சொல்லுவாங்க. So notochord is present only in tail region, so it is called Urochordata. Okay, example Ascidian. The animal oda name Ascidian. It is a marine organism. So look like இந்த மாதிரி it is called Ascidian. Okay, so Urochord, the tail region only present here, notochord only present in tail region. Notochord only present in tail region. Okay, notochord present only in the tail region. So next point, it is here. This animal is a solitary or sessile form. Notice me, solitary na தனியாவும் இருக்கலாம். Sometimes in sessile form na easily attached to one another. ஒரு கூட ஒட்டி இருக்கலாம். Attached to one another. So it is a solitary or colonial forms or colonial forms. This is a sessile animal. Okay, so next one, it is a very important point. It is an unsegmented body. But compared to the previous family Balana classes is segmented body, small segment also present, but Ascidian is the unsegmented body. The body is covered by tunic or test. Okay, it is the unsegmented body. Unsegmented body body is covered by tunic or test. The cover பண்ணிருக்கு என்ன சொல்வாங்கன்னா, for example இந்த mantle இந்த மாதிரி பார்த்த மாதிரி tunic or test. Okay va. So next one, already told notochord only present in the tail region. So next it is respiration throughout the gills. Respiration எது வழியா நடக்கும்னா அதோட gills வழியா நடக்கும். So next one is mostly the Urochordata family are hermaphrodite animal. Mostly hermaphrodites. What is the hermaphrodite? Hermaphrodite, it is a monoecious animal. So male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ present in the same animal, that is called hermaphrodite animal. Okay va. So it is a larval stage. It is a tadpole larva mari. It is a larval name. It is the larva resembles a tadpole larva. Okay, so mainly indicate the caudate character abdinale the notochord is present, dorsal tubular nerve cord is present, and gill slit is present. Okay va. The circulatory system is present. It is a open type of circulatory system. It is not a closed type of circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system. Open type. Okay va. So next one, the dorsal tubular nerve cord is present. but the notochord, gill slit, through entire throughout their life, அது ஃபுல்லாகவே இந்த notochord எல்லாமே ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ the excretory organ, protonephridia, அதோட excretory organ protonephridia, excretory organ protonephridia. Protonephridia, it's an excretory organ. Okay, these are the main. The development is indirect or direct. Okay, the fertilization is external type of fertilization. External type of fertilization, the fertilization take place outside the parent body. That is called external type of fertilization. Okay, external type of fertilization. External type fertilization. Okay. So, what is the main important character of the next family? Family order name. What is the family order name? Urochordata. It is an unsegmented body. Okay. It is an unsegmented animal. It is a solitary or in colonial forms. Okay. It is mainly the body is covered with tunic or test. The notochord present only in the tail region. So, it is called as a Urochordata. The next one, it is a hermaphrodite animal. Circulatory system is only present in the open type of circulatory system. The excretory organ protonephridia. Pro abdinale first. So nephron mundiya stage. So protonephridia. The fertilization type on the external type of fertilization. The next one, the development is direct or indirect development is present. So next phylum, Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. So next phylum, Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. So cephalochordata அப்படினாலே cephalo அப்படினாலே head region சொல்வாங்க. So this type of animals notochord present only in the head region. So it is called as cephalochordata. So notochord is present only in head region. Okay. So next point, it is not a worm-like animal. It is not a segmented animal. Okay. For example, it looks like a fish-like animal. For example, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு fish மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. Small cleft. For example, this is a gill slit is present. Okay, the gill slit is present. So next one, notochord is present. What is a notochord? Notochord is replaced with backbone. Dorsal hollow single notochord is present in this animal. Heart is present in the ventral side. Next, a post tail is present. Alimentary canal is placed in the ventral side of the nerve cord. Okay, wow. So next one, the fertilization type is, it is a hermaphrodite animal. It is a type of circulatory system, open type of circulatory system. Open type of circulatory system. The fertilization is external type of fertilization. External type of fertilization. Okay. So next one, the development is direct or indirect development. Development, direct or indirect. Direct or indirect development. இதோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கேரக்டர் என்ன அப்படின்னா அந்த ஃபார்மேஜியல் கில் ஸ்லிட்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். அந்த கில் ஸ்லிட்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ அதோட எக்ஸ்கிரீஷன் வந்து புரோட்டோநெஃப்ரிடியான்னு சொல்லுவோம். எக்ஸ்கிரீஷன் இஸ் ஏ புரோட்டோநெஃப்ரிடியா டைப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்கிரீஷன் இஸ் தட். இதில் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா mainly resembles the character of chordate family. What is the important character of chordate? Chordate அப்படினாலே the first one, notochord is present. Notochord is present only in the early embryonic stage. It is replaced by vertebral column. Vertebral column na adha mudugelumbu தொடர் or mudugelumbu நான் அப்படினு சொல்றது. So next one, dorsal tubular notochord is present. Heart is present ventrally. Heart is ventrally placed. So the alimentary canal is present ventrally to the nerve cord. These are the main important character of the chordate family. Okay, so what to learn today, students? So first learn the topic hemichordata. So what are the example of hemichordata? Balanoclastus. Balanoclastus is a worm-like animal. It is a segmented animal. Okay, it is a bilateral symmetrical. It is a triploplastic animal. Mainly it's divided into three regions: anterior proboscis and middle colon and trunk region. Tail and trunk region is present. So next phylum, so Urochordata. Urochordata example Ascidian. So only notochord present only in the tail region, so it is called Urochordata. So next phylum, Cephalochordata. What is the main difference between the Urochordata and Cephalochordata? Urochordata notochord present only tail region, but Cephalochordata notochord present only in the head region. Cephalization சொல்வாங்க. அதாவது ஹெட் தலையாக்கம் அப்படிங்கிற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆரம்பிச்சது எங்க அப்படின்னா ஸ்டார்ட் த which family அப்படின்னா the Cephalochordata family. The pharyngeal gill slits present. This type of animal fertilization is external type of fertilization. The circulatory system, closed type of circulatory system is present. Open type of circulatory system present. The fertilization, external type of fertilization. This type of animal is a hermaphrodite animal or monoecious animal. So there may be development, direct or indirect development. So today home assignment. Write the 5 characteristics or differentiate between the chordate and non-chordate. Homework. Differentiate between the chordates and non-chordate. Thank you, students.